The Australian share market is expected to start the week on a rather soft note today, after concerns that soaring fuel prices could put the brakes on the global economic recovery saw overseas markets fall sharply on Friday night. As fighting intensified in Libya, world crude oil prices hit 2.5-year highs, and that overshadowed better than expected news that 192,000 jobs were created in America during February, much better than expected, while the official unemployment rate fell to 8.9%, its lowest level in nearly 2 years. An hour into trade, the ASX 200 index is 32 points, or almost 0.75% lower, with weakness across most sectors. In company news, shares in Australia's third largest iron ore producer, Fortescue Metals Group, are up about 0.1% at $6.61, and that comes despite news that the company has said heavy and persistent rain in the Pilbara region of WA will impact production during the quarter. It said the rain has caused significant flooding which has damaged roads and impeded air access to its mines, and has cut its output target by around 5.5%. Meanwhile, shares in carsales.com are down over 3% to $5.08 after news that private equity firm Nine Entertainment has sold its 49% stake in the online car selling website for around $566 million. That stake came from PBL Media, which Nine Entertainment bought from James Packer back in 2007 for $1.86 billion. And on the sale, Nine Entertainment will book around a $400 million profit as it prepares the other assets bought in that transaction, mainly the Nine network, for an IPO later in the year. And finally, on the currency front, the Australian dollar was relatively flat in trading over the weekend, but is up a touch in early trade today. It's currently buying 101.5 US cents. This is Toby Grimm for Young Stockbrokers.